Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use split screen feature on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. So first, open two applications, both of which support the split screen feature. Not all applications support that, but many of them do. And then what you have to do is open the Recent Apps menu, either by tapping the square icon on your navigation menu, or by swiping down from the bottom of your screen, swiping up from the bottom of your screen. And now what you have to do in order to enter the split screen mode is tap the app icon at the top of your screen and then select split screen. Then select another app you want to use along with it, and now you can use both applications at the same time. You can also resize them, moving this little bar in the middle of both applications, in the middle between the applications. That's what I meant to say. And besides, you can also use the pop-up view. In order to do that, go to the either go to the recent apps and then drag your application to the top of your screen, or you can also go to the recent apps, tap on your app icon and select pop-up view, and this will also enable pop-up view for you. And that's how you multitask on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.